Next one is null pointer. Third one is void pointer. Fourth one is dangling pointer. Fifth one is function pointer or complex pointer. Sixth one is far pointer, near pointer, use pointer. First write this. We discuss about one by one. Completed. First one is while pointer, bad pointer, guys. Uninitialized pointer variable is called bad pointer. Uninitialized pointer variable is called bad pointer. It is not pointing to any memory location. Uninitialized means bad pointer means it is not pointing to any memory location. It is not pointing to any memory location. For example, int star ptr. PTR is pointing to some memory location. We don't know, right? It is called bad pointer. Yeah. If I say PTR, it is not pointing. Sorry, it is pointing to some memory location. Sorry, null point. Bad pointer means it is pointing to some memory location. PTR equals to what is PTR? PTR is pointing to some memory location, some garbage locations. We don't know that address, right? It is pointing to some address. Yeah, which address it is, we don't know. That's why if I mention pointer, pointer is pointing to some address location. We don't know that address. Our program is not using that memory location. Okay? It is pointing to some memory location. Next one, null pointer. It is not recommended to use bad pointers in the computer. It is not recommended. It's not recommended to use bad pointers in our application. It's not recommended to use bad pointers in our applications. Okay? It's not recommended. Bad pointers we should not use. Yeah, on small task for you, I said bad pointer, right? I did not say bad pointer functionality, right? Are you following? Why it's bad pointer means I said the uninitialized pointer variable. It's called bad pointer, I said, right? But one task for you, why it is called bad pointer? What is the task? What it performs? What is the functionality of bad pointer? Okay, you have to Google it. Okay, small task for you guys. Next class I will ask you. Okay, why it's called bad? You know, right? A bad student are good students. Okay, yeah. You are good student or bad student. If anyone asks, you tell something, right? Bad or good. Yeah, that is depends upon what you do. Are you following, right? If you attend classes regularly, if you get the marks 90%, or if you do whatever sir is telling, then we call it a bad student, right? Are you following, guys? That is depends upon what we do. Same way, your pointer. What do you call it? The pointer is a bad pointer, right? Next one, null pointer. Which pointer is pointing to null? Which pointer is pointing to null? Then it is called null pointer. Null pointer means it is not pointing to any memory location. Pointer is pointing to null, then it is called null pointer. Null pointer means it is not pointing to any memory location.
నా చార్జర్ కు పెట్టుకో మమ్మీ నా చార్జర్ కు పెట్టుకో పెట్టు తొందరగా పెట్టు నా చార్జర్ పెట్టే నేను రాత్రి నుంచి నడుస్తుంది అది నీ చార్జరు క్విక్ ఛార్జింగ్ అని రానియకు బంద్ చేసి ఎంబడే సౌండ్ రాగానే బంద్ అదేంటది ఫోన్ బంద్ చేయి నా చార్జర్ ఏడుంది వైర్ చక్కగా చూసి పెట్టు
Null pointer means it is not pointing to any memory location. Clear? Yeah, how to declare this? Int star ptr equals to null or int star ptr equals to 0. Then this one how to assign? Star. Void pointer. Next one, void pointer. Okay, here null pointer means, guys, instead of using bad pointers, we can use null pointers, guys. PTR, it is not pointing to any memory location. Not pointing to any memory location. This is what no memory location is there. It is not pointing to any memory locations. Clear? It is not pointing. Not pointing to any memory location. Okay. Then void pointer, guys. We can write int star p equals to null or int star ptr equals to 0. Null means then 0 only. Yeah, guys. Next, void pointer. Void pointer means what? Right? Void pointer means generic pointer, right? This is important one, guys. Generic pointer of C and C++ is called void pointer. Generic pointer of C and C++ is called void pointer. Yeah. Generic means what? Generic means same kind of data. Clear? Generic pointer means of C and C++ is called void pointer. Generic kind of, what is generic kind? It can access and manipulate any kind of. Generic pointer means it can access and manipulate any kind of data. Understand? Generic. Generic means it can access and manipulate any kind of data. Clear? Generic pointer of C and C++ is called void pointer. Generic pointer means it can access and manipulate any kind of data. Clear, guys? Right? Generic pointer. Yeah. It can access and manipulate any kind of data. Void point occupies 2 bytes. Yeah, right. When we are working with void pointer, type specification will be decided at runtime. When we are working with void pointer, type specification will be decided at runtime. Okay. When we are working with void pointer, type specification will be decided at runtime. What is that point? I will explain. To work with void pointer, we need to perform typecasting process. Clear? Yeah, I will discuss about void pointer now, guys. Clear? Once again, generic pointer of C. Generic pointer means it can access and manipulate any kind of data. Okay, see guys. What is the use of generic pointer? We can access any kind of data. We can reduce the size, right? Of using void pointer, we need to avoid typecast. Sorry, using void pointer, using void pointer, we can avoid wastage of memory. We can avoid wastage of memory. For example, in one program, I'm using different kinds of data. For example, I'm using character ch equals to or integer data first. Integer existed. Character data also I'm using. Character ch equals to a. Float data also I'm using. Float f equals to something 4.5f. How many pointers you have to use? Int star p, character star q, float star r. Okay. Int x is 10. Int star p. Character ch equals to a. Character star q. Float f equals to 4.5f. Float star r. Here, how many pointers you have taken? This is 2 plus 1 plus 4. Now here, how many pointers? 2 plus 2 plus 2. Total 6 pointers. Right? 7 it is 6. Total 13. Are you following guys? 2 plus 1 plus 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Total 6 pointer, right? 7 plus 6, 13 bytes. Instead of avoiding memory wastage, here pointers how many bytes it is actually 6 bytes. Data 7 bytes. What is the use of pointer? You know, right? Pointer increases the speed of the program. That is okay. For speed, memories pointers we can take, but as a developer, memory also important. We have to concentrate on two issues. One is speed execution. Other one is what? Speed execution also required. Another one is what? Memory also important. Here, we have to concentrate on two issues. Okay, if I take 3 pointers, it is occupying 6 bytes. Can I reduce to 2 bytes? Data we can't remove. Are you following us? We can't remove data. Data is, I want data. Must and should. In my application, data is mandatory. Without data, I can't do. Pointers, but 3 pointers you are using. Can I take 1 pointer? Yes. Byte star p. Then it is what? 2 bytes. Can you access this? Yes, we can access with this pointer all kind of data. Here, character pointer, integer pointer we have taken to access integer data. Character pointer we have taken for to access character data. Float pointer we have taken for to access float data. Before that, one question, guys, can I access one data with other pointer? Can we access, question right there, can we access integer data with character pointer? This question, understand guys. Now, meaning is what? Your name is something, okay? Can I call with other name? Do you listen? For example, your name is Ram Babu. If I call Ram Krishna, the same question, guys. Can we access integer data with character pointer? We check it now. Okay? We check it. First, write the question. Can we access integer data with character pointer? Is it valid or not? We check it. Clear? Yeah, I will show you the question. For example, question you wrote up. Yeah, see this. Integer x equals to 320. Character star p. P equals to address of x. Printf. Now character pointer I have taken here again warning get to remove warning what I have to write char star. Without warning also can execute. Yeah, x value is what? Percentile d star p. Yeah, once write this question, tell me the output, guys. Write this question and tell me the output. Yeah, Sai Samprit. Good. 64. Yeah. Why do we get 64? Sai Sampriti? Yeah. Memory means. Abdul Asif, 320, yeah? Same answer, huh? Difference in bytes. Yeah, wrote up. Finish the question. Now I will explain the answer, guys. For example, guys, we have uh, one water tub, guys. Water tub. In that water tub, we have 5 liters. Okay. We have 1 liter bottle also. You have to transfer water from one place to another place. Okay. You have one water bottle, guys. Right. 1 liter water bottle. 5 liter water is there in the tub. Now, using 1 liter water bottle, how much water we can transport, right, from one place to another place? Simple answer, right? You have 1 liter water bottle, we can access 1 liter only, because 5 liter from 5 liter tub. If you have only 1 liter water bottle, we can access at a time 1 liter only we can access. Again, one liter, like that 1 liter only we can access. We can't access more than 1 liter. Clear? Yeah, this is, guys, what is integer data? Integer data stored in 2 bytes. You know that, no doubt at all. Integer data stored in how much? Byte, 2 bytes. Clear? I told you that question also, guys. See, so I will show you the diagram. First class pointers in the first class. See, we have written these notes. Integer pointer access the data from 2 bytes. Character pointer. See this. See this pointer. Character pointer access the data from 1 byte. Nothing but it's a 1 liter water bottle. Can access 1 liter only. But data is how much? Data occupied in 2 bytes. This is 2 bytes. 320 value stored in 2 bytes. How character access? Character access 1 byte. Yeah, I want to write 2 bytes data. See, this is 2 bytes. Hmm, 320 binary value. 320 binary value. 160, 80, 40, 20, 10, 50, 21. Okay, next 10. Okay, total binary value is now 10160. This is the 8 bits, guys. Remaining 8 bits are, these are the remaining 8 bits. First 8 bits stored here, second 8 bits stored here. First 8 bits, second 8 bits. What are the second 8 bits? Yeah, where is pointer? Pointer is here. This pointer access only 1 byte data. Pointer access only 1 byte data. This data. Now what is this value, guys? Only you get this 1 byte data, because character pointer it is. It accesses only 1 byte, not 2 bytes. Now what is the answer? This you see. How to count? 2 power 0 it is. 2 power 0. 2 power 1. 2 power 2. 2 power 3. 2 power 4. 2 power 5. 2 power 6. What is 2 power 6? What is 2 power 6? 64. Answer is 64. Right? Now answer is, got it? Next. Same. If I change the data, guys, tell me. This is clear? 320 binary value stored in. I will give one more value. Tell me, guys. If I give 280, what is the answer? What will be the output? I have given 280. Then tell me output. Yeah, what is the answer, guys? Yeah, 24 seeker. Good. For example, 280 binary value. Get the 280 binary value, then you can understand. 280 binary value, if I write 280, that is 280 binary value 140 0, 70 0, 35 0, 71, 81, 40, 20, 10. The total binary value now 1 0 0 0 1 triple 0 double 1 0. This is the value. This is 8 bits. This is 8 bits and this is 8 bits. This is 1 byte we are accessing, right? This is 1 byte. What is this value, guys? 2 power 0, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4. What is 2 power 3? 2 power 3 is 8. 2 cube. 2 power 3, 8 plus 2 power 4, 16. Then answer is 24. 8 plus 16, 24. Then answer is what? See this? Answer is 24. X value is 24. Got it, guys? Yeah, write that pointer. Character point. Answer is 64 because draw these diagrams. Because draw this diagram. What is the reason? Okay, this is the reason. Question completed. Huh? Character pointer access 1 byte data, but integer stored in 2 bytes. This is the reason you should tell, guys. right? Character pointer access only 1 byte data. Yeah, PTR occupies 2 bytes. Asif, PTR means address, man. That address will be stored in 2 bytes. Okay? But it accesses 1 byte data. Yeah, Abid, Asif. Yeah, completed, right? Wrote the definition of question. What is the question here? Answer also we write. Yeah, this is a question. Write a question. Can we access integer data with character pointer? No, no, right? Because integer data stored in integer data stored in 2 bytes, but character pointer access only 1 byte data. Okay. But character pointer can access only 1 byte data. Completed, huh? Now we write a program. See, we take integer data, integer existent, character ch equals to a, float f equals to some 4.5, f are 4.5. Take f guys, pointer. What is that pointer? Star ptr or p star p. Yeah, first I want to access integer data. If you want to access, it has to point first that p equals to address of x. Print the value of x. How to print the value of x is x value is percentile a star ptr. You know, right? Sorry, p. It's not p. Ptr. Ptr equals to address of x. Then star ptr is what? Value of x. Right? It has to print that value. But when I compile, it's giving error. 3 warnings also. 3 warnings and 1 error. Not an allowed type. Why it's showing not an allowed type, guys? I will tell you. Remember, when I write star, I said address you have to write. Okay, which address? This is important. It recognizes. I told you, right? Star address if you write. For example, star integer address. For example, if it is integer address, then it decides 2 bytes of data it has to access. 2 bytes of data has to access. You can understand. Star, for example, if it is a character address, then it decides 1 byte of data has to access. Yeah, for example, star float address. Yeah, then it decides 4 bytes of data has to access. Okay, star integer 2 bytes, star character 1 byte, star float 4 bytes. Into 2 bytes, star char 1 byte, star float 4 bytes of data has to access. For example, if I write star, we don't know the what address, void address. Now tell me, which address, how many bytes has to access? We don't know, right? Because there is no type. Void type data is not there. Integer type data is there. Are you following us? Void means what? No type. Clear? Integer type means it decides 2 bytes. Character means it decides 1 byte. Float means it decides. That's why it is telling what is this type. Void type means what? Not an allowed type. See this. This type is not allowed because of its void. Are you understanding the error, guys? Why it is showing not an allowed type? Because there is no void type of data. There is no void type. That's why then it decides not an allowed type. That's what to do. Either you have to make it this address, you have to change to integer, or we have to access character, or we have to change to float. Then what I will write here, I will change it to integer address. Make it as this is ptr, convert to integer address. How to convert into star? Is understood, right? I said right that point. What is that point? I said while accessing, see this. When we are working with void pointer, type specification will be decided at runtime. Type specification will be decided at runtime. To work with void pointer, we need to perform typecasting process. Are you following us? We need to perform typecasting process. To avoid memory wastage, I said, right? Tushkar. We can avoid memory wastage. Instead of using n number of pointers, using one pointer, we can access. This is you understood, right? This is not an allowed type. That's why convert to into star. Now run this. X value step. Same, I want access with the float or character. PTR equals to address of ch. Now can I access this printf of ch value is %c star PTR. Again, not an allowed type. See, what is the other warning? We declared, but we did not use them. F declared, but we did not use. That is the warning. Now see this. If I use this, what to do? Convert to character address. Then it decides to access 1 byte. Now ch value is 8. Then float ptr equals to address of f. Printf f value is star ptr. Then again error. Not an hello text. Then what to do? Close star. 4.500. Okay, now write this. It's completed. Completed, right? Yeah, I think you understood, right? Next example on white pointer C. Write this also, guys. We have written, right? Star address is valid. Star int address. It accesses 2 bytes of data. Then it decides 2 bytes of data has to access. Star character address. It decides 1 byte of data has to access. Star float address. Then it decides 4 bytes of data to access. Okay, wide address, not an allowed type. That is error. Completed. Yeah, next example on white pointer series. White star p equals to 1000. Okay, p plus plus, and again p plus plus. So wide address, right? That's why typecasting white star. Yeah. Now tell me the answer for this. Printf %u p. Then tell me answer, guys. Write this question and tell me the answer.
दीदी की पाई का उसने मैंने नेट ना बोल दे मैंने नहीं दीदी को समझा तो देगा अगले चल रहा है इसको बेटी बोल रहे हैं दे रहे
Error it is. Type is unknown or 0. Size of the type is unknown or 0, right? We cannot increment or decrement void pointer, guys. Completed, huh? Because we don't know the size, there is no type, right? Right? How many bytes it has to? Integer pointer will move 2 bytes because integer data stored in 2 bytes. Character pointer will move for 2 bytes because character pointer 1 byte because that character will be stored in 1 byte. Float 4 bytes because that will be stored in 4 bytes. But void pointer, how many bytes has to move? There is no void type, right? There is no void data. Yeah, void pointer, guys. Write this question for yeah, this one. Now, what will be the answer for this? Write this. Tell me the answer. Yeah, guys, what is the answer? C na? D. Okay, we check it first. Here we have three kinds of data: character, series. This is CH74. This is integer data. Character only, 1 byte. Integer 65, 2 bytes. This is JAK. Right? First VP is pointing where? Which location? Address of CH. This is CH, right? 74. We are printing percentage C. 74 characters. 65 is A. 66 is A. B. 67 is. If we count like this, what is 74? Then it is J, guys. This is J. EP equals to address of J. Then this is next. 65. What is 65? This is A, guys. CP equals to CP. VP plus 2. Now it access from second location. CK. Now answer is CK, right? Then total output is what, guys? VP plus 2. Welcome plus 2. Per string, star is not required. Remember, guys. Star P is not required. If you write P, that address onwards it prints. This is a 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003. Star P not required. Okay. Just 1002 percentile S if you mention. Star P not required. Only P have to write address. That's all. 1002, 1003. No need of star P. But while accessing integer character float data, star is required. Star P is required. Star 1001, star 2001. Then it is required. Okay. You understood the difference? Okay. Then answer is JAK. Yeah. Any doubts, guys? Today class? I think you understood, right? JAK answer. 74 means what? Character it is. That is ASCII value has taken here. Your CP said this is string. This is 65. What is 65? This is what? Integer. That is a string number, guys. $65 is capital A. Clear? Any doubts? Guys, today class. Yeah, Shyamala. Okay. Yeah, Aditi. Okay. Yeah, guys, if you don't have doubts, you can leave. Those who are having doubts, you can ask. Okay, guys, that's all then. Thank you.